Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Use 2 kilograms of short grain rice and rinse until water runs clear. Measure ingredients and sanitize all equipment thoroughly. Cleanliness prevents unwanted bacteria. Steam rice for 40 minutes, then cool to 30-35 degrees C before adding koji or starter so enzymes survive. Sprinkle 200 grams of koji over the cooled rice and fold gently to distribute. Optionally, add 1 teaspoon of lactic acid to lower pH and inhibit wild microbes. Cover and incubate the rice plus koji at 30-32 degrees C for 48 hours, turning once to ensure even saccharification across grains. Combine koji rice with 4 liters of 65 degrees C water to begin enzymatic conversion and stir to break clumps. Maintain mash temperature at 60-65 degrees C for 3 hours to convert starches to sugars, monitoring with a thermometer and stirring every 20 minutes. After conversion, cool the mash quickly to 25-28 degrees C using an ice bath or cool water jacket. Pitch 10 grams of active brewer's yeast after cooling the mash to 25-28 degrees C and aerate gently to encourage healthy fermentation. Transfer to a sanitized fermenter and seal with an airlock for primary fermentation. Ferment actively at 18-22 degrees C for 7-10 days until bubbling slows significantly and gravity readings stabilize. Rack off gross lees, then cold condition for 2-4 weeks at 10-15 degrees C to develop flavor, reduce yeast autolyses, and improve clarity. If bottling, dissolve 6 grams of priming sugar per liter and mix gently to carbonate. Then bottle in sanitized bottles and cap. Store bottles upright for 24 hours then sideways at 15-18 degrees C and age for 2-3 weeks to achieve carbonation and balanced flavor. Chill before serving and pour carefully off sediment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.